Hello. Let's see regex, regular expression example in Python and JavaScript Node.js. Okay. The example is get from regular expression.info. I found they give very detailed documentation about regular expression, and we are going to apply it in Python and JavaScript. Okay, this is Node.js. The version is 6.5. Okay, let's write the JS first. We have the regular expression. In JavaScript, we need to escape the slash because JavaScript gave regular expression literal. It means we can use it as we use it in Perl or Ruby. This is the pattern A, for example. This is the string. Let's make it it's HTML tags, so it's a tag. Quote it with single quote. Okay. The pattern and the string, load it into, let's see, the file name is a little bit longer. We get a pattern. It's regular expression pattern. You can see we actually type it as this way. Okay, let's see. The pattern has some method. It has compile. It has basically we have exec and test, and we have the tag. Okay, tag. This is an HTML tag. It means a bold and italic and some text, then close tag of the italic and the bold. We have a nested tag. The italic tag is inside the bold tag. Okay. In Vim, in Python, okay, we use same file name with Python extension. No. And this time, because we are going to use it Python, so we cannot use the literal. We are going to use raw string. The good news is if we are going to use the raw string, we have no need to escape the slash. Okay. We got tag. We got pattern. And let's compare the pattern. Currently, it's a string. Let's import regular expression module and compile the pattern. Okay, without any options. This is compiled. Okay, compiled pattern has some method. It has find out. It has match. It didn't have test or exec as JavaScript pattern. But let's see. This is in Node.js. We have pattern. Let's test. Use the pattern test the tag. Remember, tag is actually string. It's true. What about exit? It gave us output. First, the matched. Second, the captured group is B, index from 0, yes, and imported this one. Okay. And do it in Python. Make a match the tag. Remember, CPA means compile the pattern A. Okay. This is the only difference. In JavaScript, we can compile it. It's a match. The match from the start of the tag to the end of the tag. Okay. The span from the 0 index to the end. So they both can do the job. Pattern, let's see. What happened inside the process of regular expression match? Let's have a look. This is the text going to be matched by the regular expression. Its pattern, you can notice it gave us double backslash, because when it output to the output 12, its output as string. In string, the Python interpreter need to escape the backslash because backslash means escape, so itself need to be escaped. This only gave us double escape. Sometimes we can come across 4 backslash in sequence. It's hard for us to read it and comprehend it. This is why we always use raw string in Python to write the regular expression. Okay. What happened in the process of matching? First, the pattern. The pattern means it has less than the symbol. It's the opening bracket in HTML text, right? It's opening. Then we got something inside the parentheses. It means a capturing group. It's a group. The parenthesis is a group, and the regular expression engine is going to capture this group and save it in some storage memory. It can be referenced later. This one. I use a bigger editor to show you, bigger font. This is captured group, and it got reference. Backslash number 1 means the first captured group already saved. In later, it can be used this way. This number can up to 99, from 1 to 99. So you can put a lot captured group, but it's not necessarily in common case. And then we go to it. It match if the regular expression, if the pattern going to match the string, it found the starting bracket, so it's a match. Then what it means inside the group number 1, A to Z in the square bracket, in the squares, means it's a character alphabet, English alphabet character from A to Z. And this time we use uppercase, and we didn't give it a flag option of ignore case, but because the tag is uppercase HTML tag, so it's okay. It means one character. The character, only one character. The character in the range of A to Z. Yes, it match B, uppercase B. Then the pattern tells us in the group, it's followed by another character, and this asterisk, this star, means zero or many. It can be none, it can be nothing, and many things of this. The second square parenthesis means it's A to Z and 0 to 9. It's uppercase alphabet character or digit number. This means anyone from A to Z or 0 to 9. But the asterisk means it can be 0. Okay, so after the first character, it's going to match this one, but it can be 0, so it go over to the \b. \b in regular expression, it means boundary, word boundary. Word boundary means it's from word to non-word. B is word. Alphabetic, of course, it's word, uppercase or lowercase. It's normal English text word. Then it comes across non-word. Of course, this greater than symbol, closing bracket for this first HTML tag is non-word character, so this satisfied. Then it go pass on in the pattern. It goes through something inside these squares, the square parentheses. Caret, this symbol, caret, means it's not the following, this one. It's something not the greater than symbol, anything but greater than symbol, greater than symbol. So actually this didn't match, but please notice here we got another star, the asterisk. It means it can be 0 or many. We just mentioned, we just explained the star means this way, star works this way. So this can be 0, it means it's okay to pass it. Then it's greater than symbol and only one character, one symbol, one character here, so it actually match. Then the dot in regular expression means anything but new line. New line is a symbol. It's always at the end. It's we cannot view it a symbol there, but they are there. Okay, followed anything, and this is lazy 0 or anything. It means this way. So if this got matched, then we got anything. This is okay, it's anything. And it can be 0 or more, so it got matched. It goes through this one. Then notice we are going to go on in the pattern, right? The regular expression engine going, pushing on. It got another symbol, another character in the pattern. It's less than a symbol. It match. But in the pattern, we got the slash. Yes, it match. but we can move on, right? It's the back reference of back reference number 1. Can we match it? No. Back reference number 1, if you remember, it got satisfied. Here, captured inside this parenthesis is B. So it didn't match. Then it go back with its pattern. Go to this point. It backtracks. Then it take it as dot. Dot means anything. Then it goes through. Then it come across this less than symbol again. It start to match this one, and followed by a slash. Yes, it matched, and followed by the back reference number 1. Okay, this time it matched. The last character in the pattern is greater than it match. It finished the text this way. This is how the computer make it finish its work, its job, and it gave us a result of match. In Python, we got you already saw we got a match object. Let's assign the match object to object of match. Okay, let's see. The object has some method, of course. Object commonly they have methods. It has ends. It has start, of course. They are pairing. It has string. It has span. Span means from the start index and the end index. It has group. It has groups. Okay, let's try some method. Span tell us the start and stop. Okay, tell us more. Group. This is very often used. And groups. It gave us group, this one, and groups only this one. Captured group is B. We already saw it. The parenthesis means capture a group and save it in some storage. Make it available for back reference by this backslash and number. Number refer to the sequence. It starts from 1, okay? And we already mentioned when it start to do its job, it's the pattern match. Then it start the first capturing group. It's A to Z, of course, be inside A to Z. Then this is 0, okay? Then it go over the first group to the word boundary, okay? This is word boundary. The cursor, the position of cursor, is between an alphabet and a symbol. Of course, it's a boundary. It didn't take any space, but between the word and non-word, it's a boundary. So the first captured group is B. You see? Okay, this is this is a regular expression example in Python and JavaScript. In JavaScript, what's PA? PA is regular expression. The tag is this one. PA. You can see PA has limited method exec and test. Test will give us answer of true or false. Of course, it's predictable from its name, PA test tag. We're expecting a true and we get a true. At first look, we found JavaScript gave us less useful method for regular expression object, but it has non-flag. But actually, with the JavaScript, we can use string. We can use a lot string. String has method that can use regular expression as its parameter. This is very convenient. For example, you have noticed match. It's a string method. Tag is the string, if you remember. Tag is our HTML string text. It gave us match. It gave us split. It gave us substitute. It gave us find. I'm looking for find. No, without find. Then we got search, split. This method can, all of them can use regular expression. For example, we have some special, we make another tag. It's some regular pieces of HTML, something added plus tag. Okay, tag B is something we commonly when fetched from internet. They are not in perfect HTML format. It has some text, plain text, prefixed to some regular HTML tags. Then let's test it. Let's search our pattern. Can we find it? 17. It should be the starting text, right? Let's see. We are expecting the start bracket of this one. Yes. So JavaScript just gave us tag B is a string, and those methods can use regular expression as its parameter. If I can use it this way, you can see tag B. This one we just replace it to something we don't understand. Okay. We have one example in Python and JavaScript. We use the regular expression in both language, and they both offer us functionalities in a little bit different syntax, but all the functionality is there inside both language. Okay, hope it helped. Thank you. Bye bye.